Hello there, it's Mr. Rops.
And Mrs. Flynn.
And today we're going to write equations of lines from slope and point.
He loves it.
I love it, but I'm not going to say it all this time. It'd be hard for me because I do think this stuff is fun.
All right, find an equation of a line with a gradient of -1/2. That's an important.
Yep.
Ooh, going through the point 1, 3.
Right. Okay.
And we are going to write an equation in slope, intercept form, and general form.
Okay, super.
Well, let's see. Slope, intercept form, we all know is y equals mx plus b. The general form,
ax plus by equals c.
and two important things here is we know our slope is -1/2, and we know that y-intercept or our b, no.
We don't know that, we just know a
don't.
point.
We know a point, which is just an xy value.
Okay.
All right, so how are we going to start?
Well, I think we should start with slope-intercept form.
Since we know the slope, that's
Right.
a good idea.
And we plug our slope in.
Okay, so instead of writing m, I can write -1/2 x plus b. Now, if we know that it goes through this xy value of 1, 3, it's just algebra.
Right.
Substitute it in.
Right. We know what point satisfies this line that we're making, so we plug it in for y. So 3 times 1 plus b.
All right, now we have 3 equals -1/2 plus b. To isolate our variable,
We'll move 1/2 to the other side by adding it.
and we have 3 and 1/2 equals b. So our equation?
Y equals -1/2 x plus 7/2. That's a quick switch.
There we go.
Okay, now we have to change it to general form.
Well, what do we notice about this?
Ooh, I like the fact that we have a denominator of 2 on both of them.
So that makes it really easy to get rid of that 2. What can we do to get rid of a denominator of 2 or division of 2?
Right, we multiply both sides of the equation by 2.
So I can multiply this side by 2, but if I do that to one side, I have to do it to the other.
Right, fundamental rule.
So now I have 2y equals, 2 times 1/2.
-1
-1x.
plus 7/2 times 2 is just 7.
In order for it to be in standard form, x and y have to be on one side, so let's just add x.
So we get x plus, 2y plus x, or either way.
Probably should have your x first, like you
Okay,
said.
equals 7.
All right. One
All right,
more.
let's try another example. Find an equation of a line with undefined slope going through -5, 10.
Gosh, what is that going to look like if we have an undefined slope?
Right. This is one of the ones that you can't really do any calculations. You got to understand what's going on and just kind of figure it out. Unless, of
Okay.
course, you have a better way of doing it.
No, I think if we have to, you're right, we have to kind of think about it. If we have an undefined slope, what kind of line are we going to have?
I think we're going to have, it's either vertical or horizontal. It's
Can't
vertical.
ski on a vertical line.
Right.
So it could look like this. Could
Undefined.
look like this. We don't know. It could be anywhere like this.
Okay.
But the one hint, it goes to the point -5, 10.
So there's the point there. It's got to be a line.
So if
there.
it goes through -5, 10, and it's a vertical line,
Then it must be -5. So when we're looking at x equal to -5, going down. Okay, great.